this video, we provide all the information and everything you need to know about this resort, like travel history, accommodation, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. You can see on the screen the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. See the hotel its review is 8.9 you can see on the screen room details like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Space is the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, location of the hotel is inviting guests to enjoy the surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 3 p.m. The time of this property is 11 a.m. We have many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different nicknames and payment policy. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. Booking with 30 days